a situation where we are trying to carve out ourselves a boundary and to leave the country where we got independence as a unit. We came into that union with our own internationally defined borders. The borders of southern Cameroon are not being made now. They are borders defined by international treaties. That is different from what Biafra tried to do in Nigeria.
The country that has seceded from union is like the Republic of Cameroon, which has seceded. They declared their secession on February the 4th, 1984. It is they who have seceded. And we say you must follow your secession to the logical conclusion by pulling out of Macedonia, or we have to stage a liberation war. It's a decolonization of a secession. We are trying to decolonize ourselves from a secessionist country which is imposing its rule on us after they have seceded. Please have this in your mind. The right to hit back at those who say you are secessionists. They are the secessionists. They have seceded, and we are asking them to pull back having seceded.
We shall be delivered out of the Republic of Cameroon house of bondage to the land of freedom.
It is the eventuality of the creation, the establishment of La République d'Ambazonie. That is the cause which God has sent us for, and we are not stepping one step back.
Our goal is one and only one. Our goal is to revive and implement the independence as well as restore the national and international personality and sovereignty of the former British administered United Nations Trust Territory of the British Southern Cameroons. There is nothing that is going to stop us from doing what this law says we are going to do. And anybody who steps out of here should take word that that is what is going to happen. Nothing is going to stop us. So help us God.
Okay, so I want to thank a person the way they all already be here today. I don't know if when I did get the sound quality there good enough. Because I just come for talk some small thing for you. Nami UN, I want talk. And when I don't hear how we papa and they be the talk say they know this succeed, say they want just restore now the Southern Cameroons as EBB because for 1961 now Southern Cameroons if you go join La République. After they be not do what they call and say resolution 1608, they plebiscite the way they be do and all those kind of stuff. So say they don't make new boundaries then. So they get boundaries the way they be internationally recognized. So now they think that and you hear Pa Godin Dinka a talk for this say now La République you come around where it be succeed. Because according to he talk say Paul Biya if you can't talk for for 1984 where he can't wake up he changed the name from the United Republic and then he can't go now for La République du Cameroon. So that one too he get for being as fine thing where we get for talk for here. So the reason why we I want come talk for this thing I say sometimes a lot of things that they happen and we see some people that they come in with some kind of politics, some kind thing them plenty. If I understand the time where this with Papa they be the talk in the times of the struggle where struggle be because as we join La République they can't use mago on top the struggle is start and that struggle start it can't go for 2016 where it developed into crisis. And after 2016, it reached on the 1st of October 2017, it entered now into conflict where it be because we talk say we will restore our own country back with boundaries as Papa and the talk for year. So by November 30th, Port Bia, he declared for airport. We don't see even that some francophone Moroccan they cry for it declare for airport say it declare war on top us. So Port Bia not declare war on top Anglophones. It declare war on top people where they call themselves say Southern Cameroonians and people they want to reassert their identity. So now for the way we go for understand and see there's a clear distinction between Southern Cameroons, people in Southern Cameroonians or Anglophones them and whatsoever. Because in the days where Anglophones they exist, whenever there's a small problem, La Republic will go catch them, put them for prison, 2 days, 3 days, they move them out and all those kind of things. So now I want to try for understand, say, explain this thing then because at the time when the crisis, I mean the war, it will go on. Because if you don't come up from agitation, where if you don't come up from that struggle, it enter for crisis. After crisis, it enter for full-fledged war. As it don't enter for full-fledged war, with the year now the international community it talks say both factions me they go should for down they talk. Which factions? Now the people where they defy the war. International community, you know, they talk say me Anglophones or Francophones that they go should for down they talk, or Anglophones and La Republic. They talk say people where they fight. Who they fight? La Republic du Cameroon and Ambazonia people, Southern Cameroonians. So now why that one can try for explain this thing today me be clean and clear for people. Because we see some people the way when something they come, either someone they don't be like opportunists or some kind of one they did some kind. You know, when tiger he go catch if he catch some big meat, he put up or down. What will happen as that meat already die, you will see vultures and they claim they run the camp on top. And when you will see any person the one they claim say, oh, now you be a leader, now you want to talk on behalf of Anglophones, now you want to talk on behalf of other kind of things. So inside this video, we will try think them about the issue of leadership. We will try think them about the issue of leadership, the issue of who them they defied and what it happened. So now the thing that way I want to talk say we'll go for talk for here inside this audio. This video. So like we don't explain them for here. For I don't already explain them, and I will take time a lot. Say I don't want to try for explain something plenty, because I know say time don't pass. A lot of people and do they want to go sleep them, but Mali me I always come late. I can't do my own small thing because I never give chance for people where they do their things for daytime. Me they do anything where they want to do, and we always talk say sometimes it be better late than never. So now the thing where it did that. So I want to tell Ambazonia people, Southern Cameroonians, and say yes, the state of the revolution it be strong and it be high, and as it be strong and it be high, so it never give on any room. Say me on a start for begin to jubilate, me on a start for begin to talk say maybe we are winning or we there on the right track and whatsoever, because when ball or game is never finish, there is no room say you stop. There is no room say you start to jubilate until you reach for last fight. We don't see even places where people go to run like mountain race for Mount Fako, where some person start to jubilate, where anybody even reach for the cross for the finishing line. Then different person will be there for a back, you can't pass it, and that way one try for talk say this. So we must continue the journey until we finish. We get everything enter inside our pocket. La Republic it commot go for your boundaries and everything before we talk say with the rest. So therefore, anything we already do can't reach today. We run for draft, we run for pay with civic duties and for pay CID for do whatsoever thing that and for use whatsoever means for defend ourselves. We still need for do and so, because we the one try for accept our own identity. We don't create something where it be new. That is exactly what we will get for understand that. However, in the process where we do these kind of things, we would see things the way they would come up from people, the way person feel they come left or right, they can't tell we say this. So why we call some person in name, why we call other kind of thing. We love and like everybody. We trust people them. But we must also question people for see if they be conscious for which way they do. If they take the right direction. If you enter motor for go for some place, you will see signboard them, you will see how a driver they respond to the potholes the way they do for road. You will know say this driver they take you go for the right direction. Now which way it did it, where will it take and go to that? Because when we don't do those things then we call and say vetting. Now it will make we will give the trust for you. So that if you even is sleeping inside motor and not say no, I don't already give confidence and not say yes. If you take the motor, it take me go for a different for position where we go for good in that. Yes. So we know the question people, we know the try say we doubt some people, we know the try say we attack some people, we try now for understand. Say where if you do like a security check for no say this person, it be conscious of what we eat the and whatsoever. So much so that these people are not talking with the attack people, and so when they know we can't talk say this. So when they call people their names and they make them they be popular. No, the fact say that they call Satan a name inside church every day, inside Bible every day. You know they make Satan a be popular. It is just up for make sure say it give you the right direction, so that many people are not going to take a wrong path for take and go for some place. However, when they call your name, you go for understanding. One, now even a privilege where people if you call your name, or even if they call your name and you understand say your name be called for something, either it be good or wrong. The same way where you expect people may they call your name for appreciate you for something where you do and where it be good and fine. Now the same way would also expect say when they call your name for something where it be bad, you go for come out there, you come explain for people. Explain them the rationale, the kind of reason why we do the kind of way we do. We don't see like a person like we don't see a president, Dr. Sako. They call his name for my trip to Boya. He don't come out for the. He can talk, and before I go for Brussels conference, he explained for the. He say he take the responsibility for any failures and all those kind of things the way they be. And now for they call and say accountability. Now for they talk say leadership it be answerable to the people. That is what you would talk for that. Because if we not do those things, then we feel lost sense. I will give example. When Muzu become one ask question for Muzu, he come we come talk say oh they attack the family. He come out now he say no still day for day. Then now until when Cardinal to me he can't die. Before Muzu talk say no, if he withdraw he go in and for back. Yes. He said if he withdraw, he go in for back and all the kind thing them. So now the problem that way we get for no, we get for understand that. So and next thing we get for put them for here and say, when they call person in name. Now for really as I don't talk, take for example you see Fontaine Neba, where it don't take the minutes for LCSC, it move the word independence for the. But it ought to be a few days ago where it don't come out there, it can't talk how La Republic government they do so for Southern Cameroonians and so. But whereas he be being one of the architects, one of the people where it one try for bring down the institutions where it make up the Southern Cameroons. And if you see they don't fight for Boyu, they don't fight for different places now as a result of the activities for the town hall the way person like Fontaine it can't do one for them. Yes, that is exactly what we did that. But today, we see that the revolution is still continuing, irrespective of the fact that La République people and France, they use everything possible for try for derail you, for try for make some people that they be discouraged, some people that they be whatsoever. Remember, if you is sick, now you is sick. So you know, no person not going to discourage you say you not take medication because you need to take that medicine before you sick, before you get well. Yes. Me, I want to tell Ambazonian people when I don't listen for it. No country they way they get independence 2 times. We will not get independence by joining La République du Cameroon. That one it will be a principles them. I mean it will be a steps them where the United Nations it will put them for down. Because our United Nations it will give independence. Make person not can lie you tell you say oh, United Nations already give independence, they do so. Yes, you can never be independent where the organization where it be in charge for registered independent country, it never recognize you. However, it never cancel the fact say you feel fight, you feel struggle, like how you feel do you sweat before you get the independence. Yes. So United Nations, it will put down three conditions under which people, especially the one that they're under trusteeship agreement and mandated territories, say if they forget independence. One, it will be through integration. Say me, you just go join some person. Like how the northern part of British Southern Cameroons, it will go join Nigeria through integration. And then another one will be automatic. Like how in Nigeria we get automatic independence, like Republic get automatic independence. Another category, it will be through association. Association are the one where it apply to we the Southern Cameroonians, where we will get the option for associate with Nigeria, either for go be with them through integral part for the or associate with La Republic, for form a federation of two states of equal status. That is how it will happen. That federation where we talk to one makeup of equal status, it no be being as until it will be automatic. And it no be being as until where they be just talk say again for be if for just end so they not ever change them. It will be in something where after we vote for join La Republic, we will still get for go through some due process where we get for sign some papers and say legalize paper. Okay, take for example, if person talk say you go ask some girl say you want marry me, he agree say yes. Now you proceed now, you go for knock door, you go pay the dowry, you go do all that kind of thing before you qualify. Say that girl, you and you when I don't marry on which kind of terms them. But maybe I say you ask girl say you will marry the girl just agree say yes. Now you just go, you not even go see papa, you not see people, and you don't carry the girl, you go, you claim and say you get ownership on top the girl, where it not will be correct. However, even a married, if married not the worker, what did happen? They will still close the marriage. If married not the worker, they will still close them. That is which way a day for that. So we be join La Republic like Southern Cameroonians. We not be ever join La Republic like Anglophones. Like our first talk, La Republic declare war on people where they talk say they be Southern Cameroonians. They not declare war and say now on Anglophone, because if you want to use the word Anglophone it can within the context of one country. Where if you get either francophones, if you get anglophones, because from 1961, go read for 1972, or go read for whatsoever, with or 2017, we will be now anglophones. That's why we were in West Cameroon, we be West and East Cameroon, we will be now anglophone in relation to francophones. In relation to francophones. 1984, francophones and now they decide now they go back for their own village, their own country, when La Republic du Cameroon, where it therefore means say they be already secede. Where they secede, they go for day. So if you go join marry with some person when I go be in your house, when they should inside, then one particular moment the person can't carry the thing that he come go for a papa your own house for La Republic du Cameroon. You will remain for day. No, you go come on out, you go for your own people, your own house. That is how it did that. However, when this thing that they can't come out to, you know, say you didn't know the importance for something that time where the thing is it don't come out for your skin. Whenever we will already tell La Republic say no, we not still deal with you. What will happen? You will hear La Republic now they come like culturalism, bilingualism, and all those kind of things, national dialogue, and all those things, and all of those things, then they fail. And which way those things that fail, they not fail now because La Republic ain't not be doing fine. Those things and they fail now because La Republic it fail for understand, for identify who be the person where ye and you get a problem. So ye want decide now for choose your own leaders, for choose your own people, for choose your own agenda where it will go talk, thinking say it will go, it want to try for solve the problem, and where it not will work. That is exactly the same system where France and the other people and they do them. Because when they come for the what in France they do, they try for bring leaders and put their own leaders. How they put André Marine Bida, they go to put an other kind of they put Ayijo, or they put Pobia on top Ayijo and all the like. When I don't see an eye way, they want stuff for put Frank Bia and all those kind of people that way now they kind of the way he did that. So we see say after this thing that already occur, I don't tell you see. We're not there for crisis again. Crisis will be for 2016, go reach for 2017. And after 2017, October 1st, 2017, a camp change now it be now into war, conflict. So now two people are now they fight. Where if you like you call say separatists, if you like you call and say this Ambazonians, if you like you call and say Southern Cameroonians, whatsoever. But now two people where they start the fight. And now you can make and people they start to get a lot of things them where they come, where they see international communities all start to talk about it, because 1961 can reach for 2017. International community, we don't get a lukewarm attitude. They not be able get a lot of things the way we did it. When I see, for example, when they make the referendum, people are not even talk. But now you see international community they talk because the thing it already take a different dimension, a different scale. To the extent say we see resolutions and we see all that them. Where even including today, we don't see America don't stand talk say they want make a visa restriction. Yes, so they want to make visa restriction. So what you again for correct and for you and say, American policy, foreign policy, it is always stamped the same. Yeah, it be difficult before they change them. Because around here some people don't go for outside there, they go talk say the visa restriction where they put them, not to no be get for be under by Donald Trump. It can't pass now under Joe Biden administration. But me I tell Amazonia people, say people they can't bring that kind of narrative. Now people the way they want claim say, oh, now them now when something happen during this time they be closer to Joe Biden regime more than Donald Trump. Yeah, a visa restriction or I can tell them now a sanction where they put them on top La Republic, and America don't do continuous sanctions. Under Donald Trump, we will not get the AGOA where they suspend La Republic for the AGOA, that economic this thing them. We will not get the suspend the military aid them where they be there for them. So they do them in a progressive manner. Even as they don't do this visa restriction. Okay, when they be Donald Trump under Donald Trump Iran, they make visas. They make AGOA and the military this thing. Joe Biden, it no become change them. It no become change them. Instead, it all come Adam for day. Equally as after Joe Biden too, a new president will come, or during his own reign, it will still progress to go upward, When I see the different make a resolution 358 and they make 292, they make 384, and after the 384, they follow up from 384, where they talk say both parties they must cease hostilities against the civilian population. It means that the parties, and even Anglophones, the parties now the fighters, people where they fight. I'm gonna mark this word very well because we can't explain something for you. Both parties now, people where they fight, separatists, if you like and you call them, or Ambazonians, and the government say they must cease hostilities on top of the people. They go now for a genuine and inclusive dialogue. That is which way he did that. Me some person no can tell when I say this, oh Donald Trump no will do no nothing now. Joe Biden don't can do so because which we call those kind of people that say now people where they call and say political opportunists, where they want position and say they check say, oh, right now so it will be closer to Biden or something they happen now because now he do. No, American policy no the work and so they don't already lay down the foundation, and I tell and I say America don't already know which way will go end for this. You don't already know which day and which time we get for the follow up all these things them for the claim they go for down so. And when it already put down the visa restriction, it be like say now the same thing with the other allies and for America they go to follow. Remember, Canada, America, and the rest they endorse the Swiss talks and so other and they follow. When America talks something, no say now England they talk. England talks something, America they talk. That is the reason why we for 1972, when the Ayijo want make before 1972. When Charles de Gaulle and a prime minister, prime minister or a Churchill, they go sign and talk to this, so they go for Mago, where they not will give independence. America be conscious of it, but it not fit change them because America now will go against the British foreign policy. It not go against the British foreign policy and all the like. Now why that way we be here Cohen, Ambassador Cohen, he talks he be there for Cameroon for 1972. That way they will make that referendum, but it no be take notice for it about it. But that one now what they call and say I know talk say political dishonesty. I would not talk say the same policy because You know, if you go for some country where no notion that two countries like this where they can't join and then one can wake up board and left and right so now the same thing and that way and they tell people them say me they understand. Say now so international diplomacy the worker. If America talk something so Britain they not go object or the other person not go go against it. The only thing where if you even do and I say if you just remain them quiet, silent, then they talk say okay me they fight and go reach for play with the war reach for the. That is exactly what we exactly what we did for the. Now whether even you see now between Israel and Palestine are the same policy where America they follow and all those kind of stop them. Yes. So if we don't hear the ambassador Blinken, he don't can talk and all that kind of thing. But it still continue where we don't hear American general, we don't talk say ambassador want make their own country. We don't hear Tibo Nagi, we don't talk about ambassador them. He talks he attention for Cameroon. Even ambassador Blinken, when he want make a confirmation, he talk about Cameroon, talk different country, whether Uganda or whatever. But the thing where it interests me, now say after he can put the visa, he talks say they don't start the visa restriction, then Tibo Nagi he still come outside there. He can't talk say this so. Meet the government of Cameroon, of La Republique, meet that government for La Republique, and the secessionists, me they must make sure say, me they respect those things that me they not commit human rights this now. Me, before that talk, I know for Britain, me some person call me say secessionist because we be talk say we be restorationist. But the reason why I welcome way to Tibo Nagi he call and say secessionist, though now like probably below says it, now because if you go for market you want buy tomatoes, even the one how you will make a clean selection, you will choose someone. We not be secessionists, we be restorationists. But at the time when La Republique and France they want play mago, I would prefer say me they call me say secessionist. Because La Republique, if you don't look this thing don't tidy for skin. What he do? He go decide now for one treat the matter like say na anglophone problem. He go to make some selection for anglophones. Say he want make anglophone like Kawala they frundi them with these other people where they belong say they want for one Cameroon. Say they want to solve the matter with them. Like how they want make the all anglophone general conference or whatsoever. Now so for they want to talk say they say problem in anglophone Cameroon and other countries them. But Tibo Nagi don't can talk and say secessionist where it means say they are no longer anglophones. Now people the way they want to make their own country. Therefore, the solution for this matter now it will be now between Cameroon government and the secessionists or Amazonians or Southern Cameroonians. So person like Frundi them with Akeremona them, Kawala them and people where they be check say no with Bala them and all the rest with the Munzu, they are already out of the equation. That is why you hear they talk say the warring factions. People they make the war. They never talk and say anglophone crisis. They talk say the warring factions. People they there for this war. The warring factions no be na anglophones. The warring factions are the Amazonians. The warring factions na the Southern Cameroonians and La Republique du Cameroon. So much so that anybody where he want to stand for outside they say he be a chief. It be a parliamentarian, it be who for one and indivisible Cameroon, your own time it will not pass. That is it. Because those resolution where they come out today from international community, they know they come out because of anglophone problem. They come out because of war between Southern Cameroonians and Amazonians and La Republique du Cameroon. That is what we will get for put and for remind that. Okay, some person who can't talk say, oh, wait they could do, but wanna be divided, wanna be so. May wanna remember, even in 1992, Tawe Fruit did want to make election. They be called something where they be call and say Union for Change, where they want to make Union for Change, where they will get about 16 political parties, where they will go stand for day. Those political parties they be join and say they want to make Frundi like a unique candidate. They may go for front. They not be lost. They not be lose their identity. That means their identity not be changed. Whether you be who or you be who. Now when I will get what you will call and say team up. Team Act now, it means you go for inside Team Act, you go collaborate for it, you will get your identity, it will remain for it. And that Team Act, the main objective now for follow up and go on for the sweet stocks where it be there. Therefore, when you join inside Team Act, no man will tell you, say, okay, me you put out here this thing and whatsoever. That is exactly what we did that. So now why I would talk for people the way they never day inside Team Act, say me they go join the Team Act. Because if you hear some people like Ayuk Tabe and the rest, they can't talk now say the idea of a government, the issue of ambassador government will be a wrong idea. Yes, if Ayuk Tabe talk to the issue of ambassador government will be a wrong idea. Therefore, he go for start by endorsing the statement where he talk. By endorsing the statement, be being say he go for now dissolve what you go from a for Kondigi, say the form government. If you deny ambassador government, then you go form something for Kondengi. You put some person for the like say na Yerima. Why then? You know go for dissolve them. Dissolve Yerima, move Yerima, put them for outside there. You talk say you not believe it for ambassador government. You first dissolve the Yerima, Warana Yerima and whatsoever. The reason why Ayuk Tabe cannot do those things now because Ayuk na a power monger. Not only a power monger now because he get a hidden intention, hidden agenda with La Republic. Me I justify for you. No person be in captivity and where he get a prime minister or vice president like Yerima. If Ayuk you know be a power monger, if you know be get something where they hide them even from Yerima itself, as he did for inside parliament or inside prison. If we give all authority and all powers them for Yerima, we know for the year against it, so Ayuk Tabe the run government for prison. Where until the extent where ye and Pangala for, he go talk say Pangala for the one challenge authority for prison. Well, Pangala for not where you be wanting that. If you know chop beans, you know shit beans. Now Pangala for then they promote Ayuk Tabe, we go from that thing. Now the Ayuk Tabe now don't come now it bite you. Yes, if Ayuk Tabe he no be get he no be being a power monger, he no be being a person where he get a hidden agenda, he no be being a some person where he get something where he hide them even in from your own people where they support it, from even the Yerima himself. He forgive all authority, all powers for Yerima. We know forever year say Ayuk Tabe the call meeting for behind the bars. We know forever year say Ayuk Tabe don't do so. We for the year na say Yerima because now you get the free hands and eat day outside day when now you get for work on behalf of Ayuk Tabe. But some person will ask for me say why the Yerima now not just resign, because first of all maybe you know get this kind of philosophy, you know think beyond 3 meters for this kind we even say an insult, or maybe because your own hands are be soiled because the same Yerima says if you don't go chop money for DOD where they give you. So much so that he not even make what your friend they call and say bras de fer contre Ayuk Tabe. Because Jesus he already mouillé là-bas. Because Jesus he already been in some kind of way. He won't take any step against Ayuk Tabe for tell Ayuk Tabe that I am the vice president. I am the one representing you out here. So I should be the one to be working, not you. I should be the one to be signing documents, holding town hall meetings, not you. But the Yerima has nothing to do. Who is doing those things for Ayuk Tabe? Ayuk Tabe they do and he says for day. And we even Erita to come talk say he be the natural representative for Ayuk Tabe outside. Imagine an activist he talks he represent Ayuk Tabe, where vice president for Ayuk Tabe he did. And imagine then na Fontaine Neba, them they work they do all those things for Ayuk Tabe for them. That is what we did that. So now why that would they talk say? We know we stand so the wait some kind of people where people feel confused left and right. And now why that we continue as I don't continue for the call on with veteran leaders, people like Pangala for them, people like Pa Augustine Dangam, the Pa Godin Dinka them where they be rubbish. Say now time for them for come out there for explain for people like this Ayuk Tabe and the rest. Explain for them which way wanna be the fight for, which way wanna be the fight for, now be the fight now for wanna picking them and whatsoever. Yes, I understand. Say most of wanna be used na the force of argument rather than the argument of force. But now, which level wanna be used the force of argument? Go read for the yes. Wanna secure the Banjul agreement, the Bamenda Declaration, and the AAC 1, AAC 2, and all those things. But the dynamics and the not change. Now we've been at war because you not fit use the force of argument against the argument of force, because those two things they not fit work ago. Now iron, they move iron inside water. How will the dynamics and now the rock can change? It should not say it don't go now to warfare. As it already go now to warfare, you get for also change your own position by endorsing which we see as it will equate which way the opponent he get them. So the fact say you be the fight with 5 francs and they don't increase, or you be go to buy something for 5 francs, one Maggi for 5 francs. Now you claim say you want to buy the Maggi for 5 francs for put a meat soup, it tastes fine for your picking and meat the chop. Now you don't already go for market, they don't increase the price for Maggi, go now for 10 francs or 100 for one Maggi. Instead for you go ahead for your picky, we get the 100 for buy the Maggi. You say no, you want prefer now say you must still buy the Maggi only for 1 franc, without knowing that things that they change as dynamics that they change, they go. Now why that even inside Chino Achebe they talk say bird be talk, what are a little bird, what are a ineke whatsoever. Talk say as hunters them they learn to shoot without missing. Themselves they don't learn for the fly without perching. So they will still continue the flight when they not will land for down and all those kind of things. That is exactly what we did in that. Except when I get a secondary reason. That is what we did in that. So when I get a secondary reason. And that secondary reason if be say when I not want them people where they inside the leadership. So when I on roll I say when I want to say okay, either some small error that we can't come out, meet the people and now they crumble before you go. But you get for understanding some kind of errors and they did. Well, when it happen, it take time. When before you take you change them. If you don't cut head like for head for snake, it no will ever come again. So much so that rather than for you for the waste time in the rain, you get for do the right thing. Where it take people and it go for them. Brothers and sisters, may I explain something now? We want to talk something. They say when two people fight, now a stranger inherit the property for the papa. Two brothers fight, a stranger inherit the property for the papa. Now we would all come right this far. And for way to win La Republic, it don't do one for we. And where it continue for do for we. And where you even breathe today because they never do more than enough. And where if you fail for do the right thing, you know even get the opportunity again for even breathe. Because they would just can't finish everything, finish you. Why would not you do those things? But may I ask with veteran papa them, say, why they can't lie when I say when I don't fight for this thing for 30 years, now new generation, they don't come for up now, they can't do this thing, why they will do so? Power will go for school for standard 1, standard 2 to 6. They will write for one on an armboard on a blackboard on a waiting. They will use now chalk, they use pencil and other kind of them. So it means I say the power, you know, it's saying it picking for school where they use now Zoom, they use now internet, they use now different means than for learn for them. Therefore, you wanna say me you can't go back for the 60s where it would be there. Because when I stand for outside there, when I start to do all this thing, what will happen? I say no people that will come for them are opportunists. They start to bring some kind of thing where if they bring confusion, where it will can make you know or realize which way you be already drum. I want to try for talk this thing for you and I say for 2016 we will get a crisis, and that crisis where it can start. We will see the teachers and lawyers and they can't enter for this. It turn up go into a conflict. As it go into a conflict, the lawyers they realize and say no, they be one use now the argument of the force of argument rather than the argument of force. The lawyers now they withdraw them, they come and go. The school begin and now they remain, and the civil society they continue to go. Then anyone can be now way till the try the tough way La Republic it be unable for defeat with people because of the firepower where it be. Now you will see some people that they can't for back Connie they can't talk say they want present themselves saying that them being the leaders and for Southern Cameroons. Now they instead talk say this so whereas the international community they put out resolution say both parties, the warring parties, people when they fight, me they must do this, do this, do this. Instead, some people they be all run the revolution like lawyers and the rest them the other people for one Cameroon they wake up for up. What they can't do? They can't be like say they want project themselves like say they be now the leaders. Now they can't talk to this so they not get no leader. And they want ask and see when they say two people they fight, the whole battalion. Who they give the other instruction for the other person say me go do the fight? How come we get Amazonian Restoration Forces the way they fight, where they make lockdown, go stand and all those things them? Like Professor Francois we talk for CRTV. Say now who they give instructions, maybe they make lockdown, go stand and all these things them. Those are their leaders. But now you will go see some lawyers the way they be all run from the revolution. You see different people they be all run from the revolution. The next thing they can't talk and say, oh, Southern Cameroon they not get no leaders them, they not get no nothing. The time shall come they will go bring leaders them and all that kind of thing they say. But who are those fighting when the international community they talk say me they end the war? They are not Anglophones. They are Amazonians, restoration forces. They are the interim government. They are the Southern Cameroonians, not Anglophones. Because you will see at this time where people and where they belong run, we want to see some different people like Kawala and the Frundi, them like Barrister Ashuda and the rest, and they want to start for the project themselves. Up to the extent say you go see some of them, they go form something they call as a coalition for dialogue and negotiations. Say now you will be capable for talk on behalf of Anglophones. The war is not against Anglophone. The war is against Southern Cameroonians and Amazonians. They never declared any war against Anglophones. That is exactly what we will go for put and for here that. Make we put now say, okay, take for example, Commander-in-Chief for any battalion. Now the president, maybe not some neutral person, where you know the fight, you know believe in war, you know believe in something. Two people that they fight, they talk say, me they go separate the fight. Who you go to? Who you go take them? Maybe you go meet on a coach, the coach where they make the coach the fight, say stop, me when I can negotiate, or you go meet on some person because he say come up for that village, and when maybe Nigeria give instruction for the person where they play the football or they play the fight. That is exactly what we get for put on for day. So I want by this note for explain for Southern Cameroonians. Say in an event of emergency, of survival of the fittest and other kind of them, they take some kind measures. They take some kind measures where 1 + 1 is not going to be not 2. If you like you go now for modulo, 1 + 1 for modulo, not going to be not 2. Other kind of them. So when it comes to the issue, the grievances where they will already be inside Southern Cameroonians for long, those grievances them where some of them will be expressed in different categories of ways. Until some people that will come for up, they express them for the way it would enter inside the utricles, the ears them for the people. What will happen? Those people and now they will follow the person. Now why that would can't use some say take for example when the people they be the fight, La Republic be the fight for their independence. We will get Andre Bida them and Adeayijo them. Now who will vote them? Nobody. Now only because they be come out for day with the policies, the way they think, the way people they want them. Because if some person is sees a small picking the thing, it run the go. Then some man will come now a follow the picking for try for the person the chief man for seize the thing for you. What will happen? The picking now it will start now for the it start for listen to the person where one sees the thing for the tip for jump back for you. That is why you see say even these lawyers they like Barrister Ashu where they Ashu the way they talk say they don't know who they be the Southern Cameroon leaders. I mean you go ask them for them say if you go now for commercial law or whatsoever, you go understand say we get two types of leadership. Leadership where we get and say express leadership and then implied leadership. That is exactly what we did. Express leadership. Now when people express their opinion, when people express their vote, even for Njange, even for a country where they don't get full-fledged independence, where they know how to manifest their political opinion, where they go through political parties and all those things. Now they go do election through a clean and clear electoral process. Then they vote people, and then they would declare the winner, where they feel ready record them inside the National Gazette. Now we call and say express leadership. Where if you talk say a president of a country, a president of this, where it pass through due process under normal circumstances. Under normal circumstances. That is how it is. Okay, person will ask for me, say no, everything will go under normal circumstances. If you hold small piggy for corner fire is spark on top of your skin and you begin your skin. You will first move which one you own. It is a reflex action. Your hand will first move your own first before you move on for your picking. But if you want to go for due process, they will talk say under normal circumstances where there is not imminent threat. When mommy get one cocoa, what you will do? You will fight Ghana for a picking, say me chop on, and all those things. If you enter aeroplane, they will tell you say if oxygen is ceased or problem will come out. When they max them, the oxygen max them, they come out, they fall for them. You, if you get a 10 picking, then you first put your own oxygen first before you put them for the other people. Them. That is what we will call them. So express this thing like highway talk. Now under normal circumstances where people they will go do everything before they go register them. May I ask on a question? If express leadership, if it only been a way, it been say it be conclusive, why then we get opposition? We know we get opposition where opposition they can't topple the government where they put vote them in place because something somehow it went wrong. Before you could see a majority of the people now they would then rally behind some person where the person now it talk which way it be inside their own hearts, where person where they be even first vote he put on legally where it not turn against them. That is why you will see like some African countries today where you will see a whole country people that now they turn against France, turn against their leaders because their leaders and they represent themselves and the position of France rather than the interest of the majority for the common people. That is why you will go see people that now they will go turn against those things. Exactly it is like that. So Barrister Ashudem and the rest, they no go expect them say La Republic where it kill with people, La Republic where it do whatsoever thing so for people, they will go get some vote where a whole nation will count for that a vote. It talks say these are people who need to talk on behalf of Anglophones and all those things. Even from the way they talk about the leadership issue, they know we go get a national poll conduct and before they can talk say from the get for being a president, chairman for SDF for challenge and for challenge Pobia where they elect democratically. You know for work as so. But when Frundi become or people will support Frundi because Frundi now be speak what we there for the minds of the people. That is what we will call and say. That is what we would call and say implied leadership. Implied leadership, where you will see some person who will stand for up. Like in the days of the consortium, they will understand that they will vote the people and for consortium. They stand for up, they decide and say they want to talk which way they affect the majority, they affect Anglophones of the majority of the people. And when those people where they be vote them, they start to talk those things them, the more they speak the minds of the people. Now, why are the people and now they rally behind them? If you see for any revolution inside the world, even for the French Revolution, even the Austrian Revolution, everywhere for a revolution they know will go conduct a national poll before they can put somebody talk say this is the leader. Because if you like Barrister Ashu, they wanna go for coalition for dialogue and this whatever, when I want claim say there is no leadership and whatsoever. Now I will ask you say who be then vote you? Say me you go being a leader for coalition for dialogue. How different is coalition for dialogue and negotiation from the consortium? Because if you go being a member for coalition for dialogue and whatsoever, now the same thing where the same people that they pass through the consortium where they get a mandate from their own people and when they talk, the will of the majority, even the silent majority where they be there, now they will get the endorsement for the people and now they begin to follow. They give instruction, they follow. When they give instruction, they follow. That is what we call implied leadership. Because if I want to say we must pass now through express leadership, if show say all of you people wanna be now for one Cameroon, because you not expect and say La Republique will allow one day say me they go conduct election for Southern Cameroon for CC. Now who they want put and say me go talk on behalf of Southern Cameroon and whatsoever. That is exactly what we did that. But now, make no mistake, the question of inclusive dialogue and negotiation is there up to date, including all these resolutions, the way they come up from the international community, they come up. Those resolutions and the question and the call for inclusive dialogue, it come as a result of war. As a result of war, maybe as a result for which way they do the crisis. The crisis started in 2016 and it ended when the lawyers went back to work and na teachers and they still there for outside for day. So it be now out of place. The me lawyers they can't like say they one can stand talk on behalf of the people. Kawala and the Frundi, they want go work now for their one Cameroon, their political parties them. So they speak for Cameroon, political parties within the framework of one Cameroon. So they cannot talk on behalf of Southern Cameroonians because we are yet to have political parties. That is exactly what we did for that. Equally as no one from the CPDM party who can talk on behalf of the Southern Cameroonians because CPDM La Republique, their political party, and they never represent with own interest. That is why we talk say the revolution now, we finish revolution now, then politics when we reach for Boya. That is now the thing now the thing we talk that. Make no mistake, as I don't tell now, the coalition for dialogue and negotiation is being sponsored by La Republique, disguised by La Republique. They don't make their poll, and that poll if they talk say they want a greater autonomy, they do not want something like independence. Now, those who are speaking in the coalition for dialogue and negotiation, now who mandate them? Okay, you don't see now, we don't realize I'm not saying they don't even talk say this, so they talk for they talk whatsoever. That coalition for dialogue. We don't see Barrister Ashud and Dede, where it be one of the satellite party, the way CPD and people they create them for try for weaken the SDF, including the Ayapo own party and the rest. Now we don't go see this Mao they call it where they call it them say what I been a kangaroo man, where they been a for MRC for Camto party. Now the way they want project themselves talk say they want talk like coalition for dialogue on behalf of a Southern Cameroonian, whereas they know the fight. They not get restoration fighters, they not get no gun for down, they not get no person where they resist La Republique. They the one they resist La Republique through elections. Election don't come pass, come to the people, they don't go march, they finish. Frundi go make his own election, he don't make and they don't tip him. He go make and so La Republique go buy it, finish. Now Ambazona they don't go fight with La Republique to the extent where they talk them say me Ambazona they go sit down on top table La Republique they talk. Now from there where the people where they be not go fight and they talk with La Republique, they the one we call for say they want can impose themselves. Say now the leaders them to the extent now say the question I say this so they be leaders them. I want ask and say why when I want can talk? The international community don't talk say both parties they did not say Anglophones and La Republique. Both parties, the parties are those who are fighting. So Muzu, Frundi, Abobala and the rest, the Fontem and the rest, when I don't get nothing for do for them because you guys don't own any restoration forces on the ground. You guys never declared any independence. You went to Cameroon and La Republique du Cameroon, you wanted to fight but for electoral reforms and whatsoever in one and indivisible Cameroon. And La Republique government reacted by doing what? Either they put you people on house arrest or they arrest you and free you. But La Republique government declared war on those who proclaimed that they were Ambazonian people, those who wanted to be like Southern Cameroonians. So they are the people to negotiate and talk their business with La Republique du Cameroon, not you coming to talk on their behalf. Okay, so lawyers like Barrister Ash will go talk to this, so they fight and whether they fight, what they know about the law, what they know about resolution 1608. Therefore, it missing people when they be the fight, if they know the law or they don't know the law. What is there for being say now they will be now they will then recruit your services as a lawyer. So go talk on his behalf, Those who are fighting, since they don't know the law, they don't know how to interpret the United Nations resolutions and all those things that happen, like you, but they have been called upon to talk with La Republic in an inclusive dialogue and end the war. Since they cannot do those things legally, constitutionally, or whatsoever, they are the ones to come and recruit you. They will then recruit and say, okay, I get a case with La Republic du Cameroon. You be my lawyer, can't defend me. You be my lawyer. I want to take you, say me, you can't defend me, take me, you can't do so. That is the same reason when they catch Ayuk Tabe and the other people for Naira Hotel, Barrister Ash will be asked and say, me they pay you $2 billion, CFA, $2 billion. Me go defend them. When they go ask them for them, say they want to do them for free. He say no, they for free. Now, the people in the rock fight, they are local here in La Republic. Now, I'm not for go negotiate. Then you, the Barrister Ash, you want to start, so you want to impose yourself, so you want to negotiate on their behalf, which is totally wrong. So how much they don't pay you now? That is it. That is it. Remember, when people when they fight, say the toxic, the force of argument, they will not go even for Banjul, Bamenda Declaration, and all those things. They talk even for Banjul, La Republic of maybe they will say, tell La Republic, say me go do something. They give you a time limit. La Republican talks to me, they add the time. And as they add the time, La Republic government, you know, and respect the time. What will happen? Paul Biana started training presidential garden, and he go for Douala, and he go for Yaoundé, Ima Bazir, and they give you spear, they give you other kind of things. He talks say, he who wants peace should be prepared for war. Like Mongo Betty, we don't talk for 1985. Like how a CIA, if we don't talk for 1985. Moving now under Joe Biden, we don't talk under for 85. Say if they tamper with the educational and judicial system for Anglophone, it will go for war. So for Biana, so he don't go now, they don't talk to him for Banjul. He deny for Banjul. He can't talk now, say, if I want for negotiate, because if they say me, they go talk with Anglophones. He talks, say, if I want na talk, or when I want a peace, when I must prepare for war, because he started preparing on war. Now the war this way, it don't come. And those people where they go, like the pastor Ayuk them, so the other guy them, so they, I mean, other people, Muzuran, they will not bribe them, they don't come out of the equation. That is exactly what he did that. That is the reason why they talk, say they don't discuss the Southern Cameroon issue for inside Parliament. Yes, if it be an Anglophone issue, say road for Babanju or road for this place, they will not discuss them. But they talk and say they don't discuss the Southern Cameroon issue for Parliament. That is which way it did it up. Yes, but me when I remember the coalition for dialogue and negotiation. They don't talk, say they talk with some Ambazonian leaders. And we understand, say, they don't make their poll. Ayaba, if you go join them, and Ayaba makes speech, he talk even about Frundi, he talk how the time will come with the main negotiation, he will take some of them and all those things. Akwanga to be go there. And Ayuk Tabe, if he endorse them, even Yerima Sesep, he did it for video, they endorse them, like how they endorse the Republic National Dialogue and whatsoever. And that explains why, for about 2 years, Ayuk Tabe and all the rest, they notify them La Republic. Therefore, themselves they not be now the warring factions. Because the warring faction now the Ambazonian Restoration Forces them, where now the inter-government is fight with La Republic. Ayaba is out of the equation, Akwanga is out of the equation, and all those kind of things them, where they get for do that. That is the reason why they have been interdicted. They don't even go take care for refugees, them, even for prisoners, them, and anything. They don't even recognize any institution where it gives sovereignty for Southern Cameroon's Ambazonia. And it goes to everybody where it is support Ayuk Tabe, they support, and all those kind of people. Yeah. But you know why? The coalition for dialogue, they can't use me and you. They can't talk, say, it be an international process. You know why? Because the interim government, Ambazonian Restoration Forces, they never again generation, they talk, say, they not be talk there with La Republic. Because they matter na international matter. So La Republic now, it go build a coalition where it will take MRC people, them, the Barrister Ash with their parties, them, and all those kind of people, the federalists and unionists. Now they go, now they not even take their countries. They work at the pick one white man for some country, different one for some different country, different one for some country. Can't talk and say this so now an international process because it get people where they get foreign nationality. When we talk say international process, it means a process between one state and another state, and where it will need an international mediator. Yes. It not being as say we talk say now international we want an international process where we go talk and say because it will there for diaspora, it will there for different place. That is where they come full now for day where they want to say coalition for dialogue and negotiation and international process because separate is they want the international process themselves. It being an international because they get Cameroonians and every day they get one thing every day. But me I tell you something. You not even accept coalition for dialogue and negotiation because it first of all be biased. It be biased say what you know if you talk say you want to negotiate a problem between two countries and now you want to bring a commission like coalition for dialogue and negotiation where part of your members them they be now part of for the one of the warring factions. Barrister Ashu it work at the project itself. He say it be a southern Cameroonian. But he say no be Ambazonian. He say no be Cameroonian. It be a southern Cameroonian. So he use that word southern Cameroonian now for fool you. So that me understand and say yes, I want strike for restore my state stay in a southern Cameroon. So Barrister actually to say be a southern Cameroonian. Therefore, I feel trust ye, I feel endorse in ye, I feel confide in ye, and all those things. No. When two people they fight, they talk say they need a neutral person. It therefore me say whether na who or na who. Me no get no nothing for do am. Take for example for football, when Cameroon they want play for with Nigeria, they want find referee linesman and other kind of thing. You come for different country. Cameroon not really play with Nigeria. Now they go bring referee them commission for referee. Maybe they can't referee the ball. They go bring man for Nigeria, man for this kind of thing. So they fax say Kangaroo man. They fight Kangaroo man and then what are the other one Barrister Ashu and the other man they call and say these people they go talk for Equinox. Where all of them they talk say they belong for the coalition for dialogue. It means say it be null and void. It means say this thing it be biased. One, we Southern Cameroonians they will not accept them because we understand say na sponsored agents for La Republic. And then secondly, La Republic says it no will accept them because it no say them be Anglophones and they be being a part of the people who they identify with people they want to say sit. So if we need a neutral mediator, we need now people where they not belong to La Republic. They not belong to Southern Cameroons or Anglophones. That is where they went wrong. That is exactly what we did that. That is what they talk say the coalition for dialogue and negotiation where a can talk say they say when I hear what they talk they say independence is the only form of government that can solve this problem. Independence no be form of government. Form of government get for do with decentralization, special status, federalism, and all those things. Independent activity get for do with with different things. You not get for attach independent with government. Now why that way La Republic people they always talk say the form of the state will not will never change. So they not discuss the form of state. And at the end, the coalition for dialogue they end with the talk say with they talk say this so they don't want them no ambassador government, they don't want them no nothing. They say they want a special status, they need greater autonomy. Greater autonomy within where? Within the framework of one Cameroon under La Republic government. But are they the one fighting? No. They are not fighting. So we cannot trust them. Who mandated them? Who elected them? Nobody. Therefore, since they are not fighting, they are not part of all these US and international resolutions calling on the government or the warring factions because they are not fighting. So if they are not fighting, good and fine. So me they go shit down for them. Yes. That wait not the two it did that. So coalition for dialogue we get MRC people them, you get people for Ayapo party, you get people for the other people that we are federalists and unionists. Where they want can disguise, change they can't fool ambassador people. They never again generation. It will not happen today, tomorrow, even in future. That is how it is. Now whether they work we couldn't give people, they work take people and go so. Yeah. Me, I tell you see, because when I get for text something, you see like even Cameroon government they work at the claim say, oh, why did they talk about visa restriction? They want try for do so. People when they can't talk yesterday said they be independent country. How come when different country where when I talk say enough give on instruction because when I be a sovereign state when they can't talk about visa restriction it is hard on when I begin to talk so because they talk say iron they move iron for inside now iron they move power pass power. That is exactly what we did that. So that thing with Pobia, Ningwanyam and the rest they can't talk say Pobia they cook a dialogue in the background. Now the coalition for dialogue and negotiations. That is exactly it. And the rest state say they don't talk with some Ambazonian people, leaders. Who are these leaders? Ayeba, he be participate for it. Ayuk Tabe, he participate. Yerima endorse him, he did for video for it and everything and I can't get them. And why that they say they don't want the no Ambazonian government. And their problem, I say, they want a decentralization, special status, and all those kind of stuff, including those. I don't tell you when I say Barrister Ashu, Ayapo, and the rest. They get now what they call, I say, satellite parties. The way now CPD and people, La Republic, it create those parties. Say me they weaken the SDF. Now when they don't wake up now, they go join, they go take them out, they call a name, say what a kangaroo man and whosoever. When are people for Maurice come to they are this thing. So they want try now for solve this problem. Let's say now a national issue. Where they want to say, oh no, this and get their own, this one they get their own, this one they get their own. People that can't shoot on for damn me, they fight this thing or they do so. And yeah, when they want to talk, they ask and say, who side their leaders and they not Anglophones, they not get no leaders and so they must talk about Anglophone. But I want to tell Ambazonia people, when I tell this coalition for dialogue and negotiations, all Anglophone General Conference and whosoever say, gone are the days where they beget a crisis. What is happening in southern Cameroon is total war. And the international community, the United Nations, the United States and everybody, they don't talk say me the two factions. They never talk say me Anglophones and La Republic. They say the two factions, the two warring factions. May they stop hostilities, may they engage in inclusive dialogue for the like the Swiss talk where they don't can talk for them. They never talk say may the government of La Republic go negotiate with Anglophones. They never talk say me Anglophone leaders and they go negotiate. They talk say those people where they fight. People where they fight, may they engage for that dialogue. Who are those fighting? La Republic, the Cameroon government, and the Ambazonians restoration forces. That is exactly what we did. That is where the interim government it comes in, and that is where Dr. Sako it will come in. That is where they will tell. He will tell when I say this one. Yes, they don't already be for table for Switzerland. Me La Republic it come for Switzerland. That is where they don't talk say an international issue because they will declare war on southern Cameroonians. They will declare war on people they call and say Ambazonians. War was never declared on Anglophones. It was never declared on Frundi or Kawala or Barrister Ashu or the lawyers and teachers. The lawyers were here yesterday because La Republic government addressed their grievances. The lawyers abandoned the struggle. They went them back to work. So the lawyers are not getting nothing for do and for this thing. Except people when they fight, they can talk some, they say, okay, we want to go talk with the Republic government. Now we need people that get expert, they've been an expert in law, expert in this. Now they can't hire one. So me I can't go talk for them. That is exactly what we get for before they that. That is exactly what we did for that. Okay, now at the year some people they can't talk say, oh, United States, it don't can put visa restriction, it don't can put all those things. Yes, they talk say people they commit human rights atrocities. Now the way they will put visa restriction on top of them, and it will extend, go for different countries. Them where it will go. Yes, it will go for different countries. Them. Human rights atrocities. Now people they don't talk to me, they go cut people their head and like Eric Tato talks to me, they go cut people their hands them like Tapang they say me they go kidnap people like Ayaba talks, we go cut people them. We talk to the keep Florence Aya for key neighbor iron them and all those things, or my country people them and all those people they do so. Yes, because self-determination now universal human right and self-defense now universal human right. Even for America, self-defense it be stated inside the Second Amendment where it get forbidden. Say the right for people for defend themselves, your own cultural identity. That is how it is. So you know we talk any kind of thing. I don't hear some person can talk to most will say, oh, you know, resolution 1608. You know we talk say me they go make a treaty, a union treaty. You know we talk say me they go sign some union treaty and all those things. Ask Muzu, say resolution 1608. If you know be talk say me they go make a union treaty. The resolution be talk say me la République et annexe Southern Cameroon. If we talk say me la République et dismantle the institution for Southern Cameroon. If we talk say me la République et dissolve the democratically elected government for Southern Cameroon. If we talk say this, so me la République it destroy power camp and all those things and for the me the Muzu me can answer these questions them. Because the same Muzu, if we want to talk say by the 30th of September 1961, two things that will happen simultaneously. We will join La République and a new state, the Federal Republic of Cameroon. It will be created. Good and fine. The new state it will be created. Me can tell me which resolution it will remove independence for from La République. An independent state can never be a less independent state. Okay, if a new state will become up, as Muzu claim it become up on the 30th of September 1961. Me Muzu can tell you when this new state will be registered at the United Nations, the United Nations General Assembly. Me it can tell we why then La République it will get two maps the way they will go and for you for 2010 on the occasion of the 50th anniversary. Yes, me can then explain for we say if the two states we can't join, then wait which kind of clause where we can't talk now say me we can't move the federal system where we even get now even articles the way they be there for the federal constitution where they talk the form of the state can never be tampered with. Those things that me Muzu can't explain for me Muzu can't explain for we. And then Muzu can explain say if a new state be formed and be created on that same day where they be created and where it talk. Why it be say we still get the international boundaries the way they did for Matazem and for Modika for they across the Mongo and all those things the way they did for they. Me Muzu now it can't explain for we why we each say and say the northern La République it be go lost case for International Court of Justice over the case say northern part of British Southern Cameroon if we go vote for enter to join Nigeria as an integral part because they lost the case now say they on account of jurisdiction. Say they not get no right on top of them. So if La République no be get any right on top, northern part of British Southern Cameroon or British Cameroons, how then it can get jurisdiction or claim over the Southern Cameroons? That is exactly what we Muzu them. The Gafo can't the Muzu they can't explain for it can't explain for you, and then me Muzu can't explain for we. If ye when even be conscious of this history, because when they be going to read the Bamenda Declaration and all those things the way he says that we go to read them, so you know we don't be conscious of all these things before we go to declare those things them. Yes, and me can't explain for we. If they be talk say that by joining La République it will be conclusive, say they not ever change them. We can explain for we why they be talking and say we join La République. Why they not be use the word rejoin? Why they not be use the word reunification for 1961? Because you can only join two things, two separate things. Like how they join marriage. Yes, if something be not be one and they divide them, when they come meet up back again, they talk, they use now say rejoin. They talk say reunification. Like how they be not already go divide Germany after they be failed for after the Second World War. They divide Germany into East and West Germany. They put the Berlin Wall for day, and after that, for in 1989, the collapse of the Berlin Wall, they become what they call and say German reunification. German reunification. That is exactly what we Muzu because can explain for we. Yes. Now when the Muzu they can't talk say this so yes, it say Cameroon was never a German colony. A German colony will be a German protectorate. May Muzu can then explain for we why they be called the Berlin Colonial Conference in 1884. Why they be called and say Berlin Colonial Conference? Why they not be called and say the Berlin Protectorate Conference? It will be a Berlin Colonial Conference where it will be presided over by Germany. Where because they began for the divide Germany. So the name protectorate, where been a German protectorate now, where Germany people and they be decide for call their own territories like other kind of people that call their own saying colonial territories. Yes. But if they want to talk, they must unite the German protectorate where ABB. How come the Muzo they never fight for go take the part for the German protectorate where they go for Chad, they go for Central Africa, and they go for the other countries the way they get for where a common go for the other countries? Yes. If Muzu can't talk and say this, so we must also be we must keep being a one because we were one. We were being a one. Ye and come to the talk say we must still come back to one because we were one. Why then they don't advocate and say me they join the German colonism where they be exist the German protectorate me they jam back for Germany? Why they go then leave them for England? They leave them for France. If you want to join something where be belong to some person, you get for take the thing that you join again back to the same person. So me Muzu. Kanto and the rest, me they can't tell the international community, the United Nations, say they want and for still join back the German protectorate as EBB, and then they hand them back to Germany. Me they hand them back to Germany. Yes. So if the Muzu and the Kanto and the rest say they not go back for history, not go back for some two things the way they be already changed, where they be already changed. Now with Southern Cameroon, they already declared they already commanded from La Republique. Why they wanna still talk against me? They must go back again like how they broke for 1972. Is 1972 in the past or 1972 in the future? So why when I still talk to me, they still can't go for they still can't go for them. Yes. Or if you believe say this, so they must still go back the same way where they be go for this. Then why again so they not go put the capital back for Boya? Where even Pobia talk say the Boya be been at the capital for German Cameroon and all those kind of things. So now story that this now this kind of thing where people like Muzu they get for understand for people that get no see this so when thing that they change and whatsoever, and people they get the right for put their own kind of thing. So when I know we can't tell we say the people voted to join La Republique. Then what happened? The same people who voted to join La Republique, they have also decided that they are going to leave La Republique. So they don't leave La Republique. So the people they be vote say they go join La Republique. They don't because say they reclaim them back. They reclaim them back. For 1993. When Pobia be chief election for Frundi, they ask them for you for RFE. When the Pobia be talk, he say Anglophones and they be happy for she done with Francophone. If they like, it will give a referendum. It will give a referendum for you. Why it be say Pobia be talk say we want to give a referendum for them? If you know, no say be being a part of a bit different people. If Pobia no say Cameroon it being a one and indivisible, why it they talk say he want to give a special status for particular for some people them? Why you want to treat some people them special and the other one them not special? That is exactly what you did it at. So, brothers and sisters, the only thing where it will make them, now say, it would be better, same would be now good neighbors with La Republique. And at this stage, we get for understanding, we get implied leadership. We don't constitute ourselves for governments, we get counties and LGAs. And now we own role, we own obligation for make sure say we will fit those institutions them. We they stand up. We were not fighting to free an individual, but to free Southern Cameroons, the people, the land, and all those things them. Because even according to the Montevideo this characteristics for 1933, where defined the state. We get the population, we get internationally recognized boundaries, and we get a government, and now with the signal for recognition and all this kind of stuff. But Muzu Miguel for forget say if he talk say if they want fight independence, it will take a longer it will take a longer time. Who cares whether independent it take long time or shorter time? What we want is that we were never one. Yes. So the territorial integrity for any country, now the day where the country get the birth certificate, and the birth certificate of La République du Cameroun, it be established on the 1st of January 1960, on the 30th of September 1960, the Amid La République for United Nations. As it is submitted application for United Nations, a non-indicator for this, a part of the territory is there for outside. Therefore, how we can show say ownership on the territory or annexation. A country, if it expand for its size, either through war of conquest, through union treaty, or where they can join and whatsoever, like how we Britain joined the European Union, it will come again a commodity. So now, La République is not getting nothing for sure say the boundary as if we get up for independence, it don't extend because either it conquer for war or because we make a union treaty with them or because they dash them and all those things. Other mago if we just take place at time where Churchill and Charles de Gaulle if we go do them so and all those things. And then me people that stop for the talk say, oh, people are there for abroad, they work at the talk, say they want to divide Cameroon, so. Me I ask them when I say, people where they make ghost town, lockdown, and all that kind of thing. When I see Ambassador Restoration Force, them now they fight with La Republic. Now for abroad they fight, now for back home where people they fight. That is exactly what way it did that. So Ambazonia people, we need for continue. We need for pay. Civic duties them. We pay the draft. We pay CID. We do everything possible because never a day we don't go for this place. We will not go for it, and not turning back. Yes, America be fight for 8 years. They get their independence. All countries that inside the world they fight, they get independence. If America went at the gendarme of the world, the biggest country in the world, richest country in the world, where they call and say American dream, if themselves they for fight 8 years they get independence, how can America stop us from getting our own independence? America not fit stop we because America voted resolution 1608 for give we own independence, and that is how it is, and that is why they not recall we terrorists because we are defending our own territory. We are not in La Republic. That is why they not recall we so different but they talk say both parties go to the negotiation table and negotiate. That is how it is. Yes, that is exactly what way they talk. Me some person no can tell and say, oh, Cameroon be now one, move not the year way white man people they can't talk other kind of. The name Cameroon it come from Musa. The name Cameroon now white man put the name. That territory Cameroon now white man put the name. So if white man it can't divide and talk say this one a Southern Cameroon, this one now Cameroon La Republic du Cameroon, then what it be wrong for person me go pay in name where they go put up for you. Who therefore we not get Christian name, you not get different name them or that kind of thing. So that construct, because before colonialism we began our empires like for Western Sudan, the Sokoto and the other empires where they be already be and every empire it be the proof it be get jurisdiction over a territory either through wars of conquest or whatsoever. But we sister way we can should also why Moroccan draw talk say now when I boundary this is my own boundary, this is my own boundary, this okay neither can catch any man going for a tongue. What is wrong in that? What is wrong in that? Okay, people the way they claim say oh they all invest for La Republic, they all invest so and what did they go do with their property? That is what they call and say negotiations, because they will negotiate terms of separation, national debts and all those kind of things. So when they talk say they work from government for abroad, this government way a day now government way it reflect now what you do for ground zero. After we don't read for Boya, you way there for ground zero. Now when I would stand election, maybe now people like we not get nothing for do. We want free now people for ground zero. Because we know fish you don't foresee I say me the world different man can annex one. Now what I would call all my day for diaspora say me free ground zero, because see like corona where it can't happen. If it be bad, they talk to me any man go for a country. You know, talk say you will remain for America. They will say no, you are not America. That's why you want to make ID card or anything. They will talk say, are you African American or this? They know talk say you be American. They will talk say African American, Asian American, because they want to identify you to your roots. That is exactly what we did for that. Now, any person where is say he no get heart for talk for this struggle. The only thing you get for do and I say, you should you quiet. Not talk say your hands will be tight. Not talk say this will be force you. Not talk say be say na so. We keep names them for all people they did for the struggle. Whether na how or how. People the way they not pay for the struggle today, they will pay tomorrow. And when you will pay times. Maybe I say when I will go she don't, then some people that will come fight, then the one that they come and say they can't chop. It will not happen today, and I know it will happen tomorrow. So I hope say all people that they don't get me today, maybe we'll continue. And we don't already be for play where La Republic be say no Anglophone problem. They don't come now, they don't go say this one, the special status, culturalism, decentralization, all that kind of thing, and all those things. People they be fight for groups them, where they be fight for people they say me to go commit crimes them. America don't stand they do visa restriction and all those things, they will come against you people them. Any person where they be not saying you say me go kidnap person, me go kill person, me go do bad for some people them. Time no correct you get for come out they can confess you talk your truth, because they can't kill you for lost the evidence. Even at La Republic or any of these armed groups where they can't talk say this, they will kill you for lost the evidence. So it be better me you come out there, you can't speak, because when you don't can't talk, they don't do nothing with you again. And the mean people they go kill Florence Ayako, where they go kill Kruger Prince, people where they go work and talk, they go kill people their achieve their head, where they go kill Batebo massacre, where they go to kidnap people them. All when I on a day for day. These people them they don't go hold and tight. If you not come out today can't talk, they will can't send people, they can't kill you. Then after now, because they know say you can't expose them. Now why that we talk say no believe, no hear something for some person where you not know your face. Now my face is at the talk. Yes, at the talk say people they defend themselves, they fight for their rights. And not the same people that me to go commit atrocities. And any man know me, my name na UN. Now my picture this you see. So you know go to believe for some person wait tomorrow you want call you again, you not see, you want do it again, you not go see and whatsoever. That is exactly what you will be tell when I say when I join on counties and when I LGAs them and other kind of them, so that any person will be give instruction they know, and everybody they know. The one that La Republic don't bribe them, La Yukta they deceive them, take say they will go get some kind of concessions from La Republic, and they guarantee when I say nothing good can come from La Republic, not federation, not federalism, not anything. Yes, but why must you federate? Why one must go you don't under some person say you be a half person? We Southern Cameroonians will get everything where it take us for be like people. We get water, we get forest, we get cocoa, we get yams, we get mimbo, we get oil, we get everything. Where do we lack and where one must you don't for La Republic? Nothing. No nothing. If La Republic like me they can't should don't we. Then all my idea for La Republic when I make documents for when I thing we want to ban for their properties and everything. Ban they still be open. If you like La Republic, you cross go for La Republic. Now so at time when I plenty we go to talk Nami UN and I tell everybody say make when I not kidnap population, make when I not go to commit atrocities, make when I not go to do anything it will be bad. You get right for defend yourself. Any means possible. Yes, because you own your own rights, your own life. That is how it is. That is how it is. We call on people the way they don't collect money in the name of the revolution, be it for 30 years, for 25 years, and whatsoever. Say we need all money for table, all money that they matter. We need for take care for refugees, we need for take care for prisoners, we need for take care for the vulnerable people. Them. If one can be now, we say no to reconstruction. We cannot reconstruct when war is there. Me when I boycott any people when the work now the talk the collude with La Republic people, the collude with Kodingi people where they work for fight for fix na their own belly for this thing. So now me you and I talk at time when I plenty we will talk the days ahead. Bye.